CIMC Dongyue Lowbed semi-trailer feature and advantage. First, CIMC Dongyue special vehicle product has advanced technology and reliable performance. Second, all parts use the products of foreign and domestic famous producers are purchased, inspected, and used strictly according to the requirements of quality system documents and ensure good performance of whole vehicle. Third, CIMC Dongyue uses advanced manufacture technology, make automatic submerged arc welding for vehicle beam, uses shot blasting treatment for integral frame, removes welding stress effectively, uses advanced fixture and technology during the whole production process, and ensure formation and assembling accuracy of workpieces. Fourth, it is suitable for highway, roadway, waterway, and port transitional transportation, both goods transportation of mineral resources and transportation of special materials.